Jai Shri Ram. Listen to this Sanskrit Subhashita. The meaning is a lioness with a single cub sleeps peacefully, while a jenny means a she ass, a female donkey, carries loads in spite of having 10 offspring. So, produce lions, train them to be lions. The Vedic word for woman is Veerasu. Veerasu is one epithet of a woman. That means she who gives birth to the brave, not to cowards and weaklings. That is the Vedic ideal. So, एकेनैव सुपुत्रेण सिंही स्वपिति निर्भया एकेनैव सुपुत्रेण सिंही स्वपिति निर्भया सहैव दशभिः पुत्रैः भारं वहति गर्दभिः. So, elsewhere in the Veda, the mantra goes like this: Tam mata dashamasan bibhartur sa jayatam veeratamah swanam. A son that is born after 10 months or 9 months, he amongst all his relatives be swanam. That means veeratamah jayatam, be the bravest of all. So he must be the bravest of all. Such children you have to produce, not pancharputras. ekeinaiva suputrena simhi swapiti nirbhaya सहैव दशभिः पुत्रेण भारं